Riley Show and Tell. And I hope you please subscribe and click the like button and the bell. So here today I'm gonna be doing a video about fidgets. Fidgets are like these. I'm gonna show you. These are like the fidgets. They're like, this is a poppet. This is a common basically. Poppets are common because mostly everybody has poppets. This is a tie-dye poppet, I think. It's really tiny and it also has a keychain. I really love this poppet, you guys. It's really fun. I think mostly you guys have poppets because these are quite common. But this is like for stress. It's like a toy. And soon you're gonna see something really special. And here, guys, I have this puppet. And the reason why there's a little hole, it's because I accidentally broke it. It just broke. And yeah, but it's still useful though. It's really satisfying. Listen to it, you guys. Wait. It's really fun listening to this. And this was my first ever puppet. And I was so happy when I saw this puppet. But I don't really like to play this anymore because it's already old and I got new fidgets or pockets. And here's another one, you guys. This is so cute. So you guys, you're wondering what is this character, and it is Pikachu. And you might be curious, what is Pikachu? Pikachu is actually from Pokemon. And this is so cute. This is the biggest puppet that has so many dots in my collection so far. This is also a common. All of these I showed are commons because they're a puppet. It's really fun just popping them. The reason why I like this because it has pink, and by the way, pink is my favorite color. And also, I'm gonna be introducing you Taffy. Come here, Taffy. Taffy is saying that, hello, I'm new to Riley Show and Tell. And there it is. And let's continue. Pink is my favorite color, and also this is like rainbow. It has like blue, yellow, pink, red, and purple. Purple is so nice. I like the feet. You can also pop the feet, as you can see. And last but not least is this cute little thing. Let's open it up. Aw, so cute. These are like little squishies. I think they're like called mochis. I'm not really sure. But I think these are common. And this one got broken at the back and also in the front. But these two are still fine to play with. See? It's really fun and satisfying. But actually, my favorite in my puppet or fidget collection is the Pikachu. It's so satisfying. It's big. And the one I'm supposed to show you is already right here. This is called a fidget board, like a trading board. Like here's an example, like Taffy has a miniature puppet. Then she's going to put it here. Then I got this. Then when Taffy clicks the add button, then that means I have to add the Pikachu button. If she clicks decline and both of us clicks the decline, that means the trade will not get accepted. But if we click accept, that means I get Taffy's miniature puppet and Taffy will get this. That's what it's for. You can get more fidgets. See, I just made this a while ago with my friend. And I also covered it with tape so it could get secured. It's not really that nice, but so fun making it. It kind of took like an hour to put on the tape because my tape is thin, not thick. So yeah, but it's okay if you don't have tape because you can either use like the envelope what you use like the envelope what you use to secure your books for school. You can also use it here. But instead, I used tape because we didn't have that item. And here it is. This one is nothing because I accidentally did a mistake. So I had to go to this one. But this one is the real one, you guys. And bye! See you in my next video. I hope you subscribe and Riley Show and Tell.